لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله محمد رسول الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
May Allah shower His blessings upon all of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hanisa Manzoor, the student of class 4th of Peace School, Nagam. First of all, I am highly thankful to school management and all the teachers of my school who are conducting online classes through social media, WhatsApp in the lockdown period. And I am also highly thankful to my science teacher, Abida ma'am, who encouraged me and guided me since from beginning. Now, I will come to my topic, that is adaptation for food in animals. As you know that all living things need food to grow and live. We need energy to remain healthy. Animals can be classified into 4 groups according to the type of food they eat. Those groups are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites. First of all, we will discuss about herbivores. Herbivores animals are those animals which eat only plants, or we can say which depend on plants for their food. Herbivorous animals have long and strong legs to travel long distance in search of food. For example, cow, goat, sheep, horses, etc. You have might seen that cow eating flesh? No. Cow is only eating grass. They have well-developed grinding teeth, or we can say they have well-developed molars. Now, we will come to I forgot friends. Herba means plant and vorse means eater. So, full meaning is plant eating animals. Now, we will come to another group, that is carnivores. Carnivorous animals are those animals which depend on other animals. They eat only flesh of other animals. For example, tiger, lion, fox, cat, etc. They have well-developed tearing teeth, or we can say they have well-developed canines. You have might seen in televisions that tiger eating grass? No. Tiger is eating only flesh of other animals. Now, we will come to another group, that is omnivores. Sorry, I forgotten again, friends. Sorry. Corn. Corn means flesh. Vorse means eater. The full meaning of food is those animals which eat only flesh of other animals, or we can say which depend on other animals. Now, we'll come to another group, that is omnivores. Omnivores are those animals which eat both plants and animals. We can say omnivores are those animals which depend on both plants and animals. For example, bear, crow, human beings, etc. You have might seen in televisions that bear, you have might seen in television that bear eating both flesh and grass, plants. Now we'll come to another group, that is parasites. Sorry, I have forgotten again. Omen means all. Words means eater. The full meaning of the word is both eating plants and animals. Now we'll come to another group, that's parasites. Parasites are animals that live on or inside the bodies of other animals. They have tubes instead of mouth. They suck the blood from the other animals. The animals on which parasites depend are called hosts. For example, mosquito, leeches, bugs, etc. The tube, that tube is called proboscis. So, dear friends, I think that it's enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.